Good day, everyone. Still on the same episode of Yoruba Alphabet. We have learned 12 Yoruba alphabets so far out of 25. They are A, B, D, A, E, F, G, B, H, I, G, P. Now we shall continue with the remaining ones. Li, Mi, Ni, O, P. Let's take it again. Li, Mi, Ni, O, P. Now, let's look at the example of Yoruba words that starts with each of these alphabets. Li, lọ́sàn gangan, midday. Lágbájá, unknown person. Mi, màálù, cow. Mangoro, mango. Ní Nigeria, Nigeria. Náwó náwó, spender. Owó, money. Òjò, rain. Ọsàn, orange. Ọ̀bẹ, knife. Pákó, plank. Panápaná, firefighter. This is where we are going to stop for today. I want you to think about Yoruba words that start with the alphabet lengths today. Till the next time when I come on your way, I'm yours sincerely, Ademola Amuda, your host. Thank you.